What I have here is a codex, a manuscript book from the Middle Ages in Old Frisian. And Old Frisian is more or less the closest sister language to Anglo-Saxon, the language that Tolkien always studied during his life. Tolkien also must have known Old Frisian, not only because they are very close, but we know that he had one or more Old Frisian textbooks in his library. Tolkien used the Anglo-Saxon culture as a kind of model for the culture of Rohan, and in part 2 also some phrases in Anglo-Saxon come by. What I have done is that I have translated those Anglo-Saxon phrases by Old Frisian ones in my Frisian translation of The Lord of the Rings.